How to add a website to the home screen of your iPhone. First of all, I'm going to show you how to do this using the Safari browser, and then we will also have a look at how to do the same in Google Chrome. Let's dive right into it. First, I tap on Safari here to open it up. Then navigate to the website that you would like to save on the home screen. Just tap on the URL here on top and enter the desired address. Once you have the desired website opened up, at the bottom in the middle tap on the share icon here. Then scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. Now on top here, you can adjust the name if you want, and even the exact website address if necessary. And once you've done that, in the upper right corner of the screen, simply tap on Add. You will then have the website saved on your home screen. And when you tap on the icon, you can now quickly access it from here. Works like a charm. Also, if I would like to adjust the position of the app icon, I can just long tap on it and then move it around. In the same fashion, you can even move it to other screens. Long tap on it, then go to the edge, and just like that, you can place it somewhere else if wanted. To stop these items from wiggling, just tap in an empty area on the screen. Now let us have a look at how to do the same in Google Chrome. So first of all, I tap on the Google Chrome application to open it up. Then I type here in the search field and enter the website that I would like to save later on the home screen. Once the website has fully loaded, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the share icon. Then scroll down a bit here and tap on Add to Home Screen. Adjust the name and URL if necessary, and after that, simply tap on Add in the upper right corner of the screen. And we now have our website here on the home screen for quick access. Just tap on it to open it up from here. Perfect! And this is how you add a website to the home screen of your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.